tap on the App Store, tap on the search, and then tap on the search bar and type ExpressVPN, and then tap on search. Just don't select the ad and make sure you select ExpressVPN. To install it, tap on Get, tap on Open to open it. If you would tap on Sign Up, you could see it gives you 7 days trial, but then it would charge you £112 for 12 months. If you would tap on See Other Plans, you could see it only gives 7-day free trial for a 12-month plan and not for a 1-month plan. However, there is a trick to get it cheaper. All you got to do is to get it through a browser. The browser could be on your computer or on your phone. So first, close this as we don't want to sign up on the app. In the Google search, type ExpressVPN. Select ExpressVPN from the search results. It also gives 30 days money back guarantee. So select Get ExpressVPN. As you can see, you could get a massive discount if you would subscribe directly from the website. It also gives a 7-day trial for the monthly subscription. I suggest you first try a 7-day trial in a monthly subscription basis, and if you would go above the 7 days and you would cancel it, it would then just charge you for 1 month. Otherwise, you would be committed to 2 years or 12 months. And once you're happy with the 7 days trial on a monthly basis and you really want to continue using ExpressVPN, then the best plan would be 2 years subscription. So click on Start 7-day free trial for 1 month option. Enter your email ID. You can uncheck this box if you don't want to receive advertising emails. Select your payment method, for example, credit card. Enter your credit card details. It also gives 1 GB eSIM by holiday.com for free. So once you're happy, click on Join Now. That's all. You're now signed up to ExpressVPN, and it has also automatically generated password, or you could click on Create My Own Password and then enter your new password and then click on Save Password. Note, it only asks you to enter your email ID and password once. So it's important to make sure that you entered it correctly. So don't close this page. Here it gives you VPN activation code. Now, go back to your phone and tap on Sign In ExpressVPN app. Enter the email ID that you use to sign up and password, and then tap on Sign In. Just like many other VPNs, it doesn't keep any connection logs and no activity logs. So once you're happy, tap on Agree and Continue. Tap on Continue. To be able to use ExpressVPN on your phone, you will need to allow ExpressVPN to add VPN configurations. You might need to enter your iPhone passcode. To get notifications, tap on OK and then tap on Allow. If you don't want to share crash reports, tap on No Thanks. Here it will show you your current IP address, and once you tap on the power button, it will give you some additional options to turn on. For example, to block trackers, block malicious sites, block ads, and block adult sites. I prefer to turn them all on, and then once you're happy, tap on Continue. Here it is. VPN is now connected. It will show you now your VPN IP address and your VPN current location.